Help me up.
Hey!
Hey,
What's going on here?
we're watching the Formula 1 free practice.
Oh, really?
We're waiting for the border to enter Gibraltar.
So we just figured out why it's such a big line. That's because their airport runs straight over their highway. Look at this.
The other way.
Planes land all the time.
Yeah, this is the airport.
Whoa.
They literally just
Like,
stopped
oh,
all
they're
traffic.
Oh, it's a telephone.
Telephone mood, what the fuck?
Yeah. We are in England. Holy shit. So Gibraltar is a part of the UK and it's been fought over for 500 years. But the UK finally won and they control it right now. It's basically a tip of Spain, according to Google.
And that means from the car, we see. 30 tours. We do our own tours.
Jesus Christ!
And then you see his hand.
What happened now? Where are we?
England, and we're looking for monkeys.
That's Morocco. That's Spain. We are in Gibraltar. Monkey! And that's it, we have left the road. We're entering the monkey's kingdom. Yeah. Selfie. Oh. Nah. Yeah, that's a microphone. Yeah, selfie mode. Nah. You can't eat it. No, you cannot eat it. It's, no. You can't eat the microphone. Guys, the monkey actually took a bite of my microphone. Look at it. See that? That's so funny. We're now in England, and right there, that's Marco, Africa. Africa? Yes. Gee, I want to go.
Oh, someone's gonna have some fun with the longboard.
Yeah. Oh, sick. We just experienced the weirdest thing. A guy on a scooter tried to aim for us. We're not welcome here. We are done with the monkey business, and now we are heading to a restaurant on the other side of Gibraltar. There's actually a beach here. Bring some food on the table. But how did that happen? I'm gonna show you how that happened. Do you dare to pull it up?
It's gonna be a human head. It's gonna be a human head.
Wow. Yep. Thank you. It's like a dream right here. He sells both ice cream and sushi. Never seen that before.